to Media Training Hub. So today we are going to know how to use the pen tool to cutting the images. So this is the pen tool. So this is the pen tool that we can use to make the cuttings to the images. So before going to make the cutting images, we should know how the pen tool will work. Okay, Control N. I am just taking a new document. Here, how the pen tool is working, I will show you. So see here, pen tool is have the two types of methods. So see here, this is the shape. While you are taking the shape, if you are clicking like this, the pen tool will move like a point to point. So this is the one kind of selection that it will make like as a with fill and stroke, like shape kind of selections. Okay, with these type of cutting, we could not make the image cuttings. Okay, so while we are making the image cutting, so we have to use in path mode. So in the path mode, that if you are using the pen tool, like we are cutting the pen tool like this is the type that we can cut the image. So if I am taking the cutting point first starting to end dates, then we can finish the this ending points. So we can make the connection between these two. So after making this kind of close section, then make the right click and make it as a make selection. Then after making selection, you are able to fill the color, or you can take the images copy from one section layer to another layer, one document to another document. So that will be the processor will be happen. So but see here, while we are taking the curvy curvy images. So you are making the curve kind of selections. So take the image like take the pen tool like this. Then if I am taking the it is only line type. So if I am taking straightly line type, if I want to take as a curvy edges, so curvy lines. So I just click the photo. I just click the pen tool and make the movement of mouse to right side. If you move, you can able to see the left side is curve going. So if I press the left side is curve, I am taking the mouse, then the right side curve is moving. So if you move the cursor around that point, you are able to see that two points are coming, and the curve point is now setting to the between these lines. Okay, so after complete taking the curvy line, so just make alt and click on this point. So then we are able to see like the 2 points we can remove. We have to remove one point. Then I'm pressing the alt plus, then here I'm pressing here. So one point is removed. Like if I'm taking the next section, like I can say I just press here and I'm moving the cursor around. So the same thing, the same procedure will you continue to the whole image, then you can cut the complete image. So if you press the alt, then you can continue the selections, continue the cuttings. So alt and make the selection where end the selection where you start from there. So just make it, and after then right click and make it as a make selection. You are able to fill the color. Okay, let's this procedure will how we can work with the photos. Then we can see here I have the one kind of photo here. So if you press the control plus, you are able to see that you are making the zoom to the image. So control minus is zoom uh, out. So control plus is zoom in and control minus is zoom out. If you press the control plus 0, you can able to see the fit window. So it is called the fit window. So control 0, control minus, control plus, control 0. Okay, so before cutting the image, then we have to see the image into the control plus where you zoom in, and now make the cutting and start the cutting. Like I'm starting here, just I'm pressing here. See, I'm taking from that point to here. I am clicking here. So if I move the cursor, then I am able to see the curve point. So where the curve have to be seated properly, then press the alt, then you can see. So this is the curve point. So you can see like this. So you can see. So this is the curve sections. So this kind of curve. So just take the near points, then you are able to see that curve points and straight line points. Okay, so just click the alt to remove that two anchor points from one. So if you are taking the straight point, there is no needed to select the alt. When you are taking a curvy point, then you have to select with the alt, so to remove the one node point, because of if we are not remove that point, so we could not get the next point should be correctly. So and next one, while you are making the selection, making the moving the image, you just select the space tool, then you can get the hand tool, then you are able to move the image. So what kind of tool if you are using, if you selected just only alt sorry, if you selected just only space tool, then you will get the hand. Okay, so this is the one kind of selection I'm taking here. So this kind of selections I'm making here. Select it, so make it the selections. So make the selections. Continue the selections, same single one, only that is the secret. While you are making the curve point, you just click the alt in the center of the point to remove the one curvy point. Okay, so I'm continuing here. So let us to finish where we start. Okay, take near points, it's very easy to finish the work. So make it as a curve, make it a curve. So make it a curve here. So I just finished that. So control 0, I am able to see the whole image. Make it the right click and make the selection. So when you are making the selection, you will get the feather radius. So feather is meanings like as a smoothness into the edges. So you just give the one, it's depending upon to taking the different kind of sizes images. I am taking the 1 pixel. Okay, if I make the copy of this image, so control C for the copy, and I am taking into the other document, I will press the control V. You are able to now see the image was cutted. See here. So if you press the control T and make the transform to the images, your image, you are able to see like the image was cutted. Image was taken from that background, you are able to see here. So I cut that image. Okay, in the background you will apply any kind of color, then you are able to see that image was completely moved from one background to another background. So hope I think you learn the pen tool from this video. So we'll continue later another class.